FL or Foot Locker stock. Thursday, 7th of March and onward. Is it a buy or sell? Is this a 30% break? Actually, a great opportunity to get in. Now, this number one thing is I'm purely following my strategy system that has previously given me thousands of wins only 2023. And I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. All right. So Full Locker is sitting at $24.20. Pullbacks like this are going to happen. It's all just part of the process. This is just how the markets move. And for me to actually just trying to capitalize on this pullback, all I'm waiting for is now the price to give me a double break on the lower time frame. So if that's the case, then you know that I'm already taking advantage of it. So, but for that to happen, we need more data. For more data, we need time. So all I'm going to do right now is just wait for my rules. There's nothing else to do, actually, even with FL, at least for me. Obviously, this is not financial advice. And I'm speaking from experience because I've spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships myself, and a lot of money have been lost trying to figure out stuff. Okay. So don't waste time and money. Check out the free articles below. They're packed with value, and I'll see you in the next video.